welcome back. In the previous episode, we learned the grammar side of the future perfect tense. Now, let's see when it's appropriate to use it. Let's look at this example. Don't worry, she will have moved out by Friday. And let's look at the timeline. Here's now, and here is Friday. And somewhere here, she will move out of their house. We don't know exactly when it will happen. All we know that it will happen by Friday. That's the most important thing here. So we use the future perfect to describe an action that will happen sometime between now and a certain time in the future, but we don't know exactly when it will happen. All we know is the time until when this action will happen. Don't worry, Professor. I will have handed the paper by the end of the week, so we don't know exactly when he will hand in the paper, but we do know till when he will have done it. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more.